How to fix quality on Clipchamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix video quality if it is too low on Clipchamp. Well, basically, first things first, you want to make sure that project that you have imported on Clipchamp is or has good quality, right? Is of good quality. Now here, this is 480p video, so you can say it's not so good. But however, if you have some HD videos, then if you're uploading it and if it has been uploaded in it has been exported in lower resolution, here's what you can do. Tap on export there at the top right, and you can see 480, 720 and 1080. Now if you are the free user, the highest you can render or export is 1080, so you can select 1080. But if you have premium, or if you want premium, you can press Z and you can select the 4K option as well. So in my case, my video has no 4K media, as you can see. But this is how you can improve the quality or fix the quality on Clipchamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.